This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 15, the face, its expressions and what it says. In this session, we will explore the fascinating world of facial expressions and their crucial role in emotional communication. Facial expressions convey a wide range of emotions and non-verbal cues, with researchers estimating humans can display and identify over 1,000 different expressions. While some facial muscles can be controlled to manipulate emotional displays, others reveal genuine emotions through subtle, micro-expressions lasting mere fractions of a second. These fleeting micro-expressions can reveal concealed emotions, and high-speed cameras are employed to capture and analyze them. Let's delve into the basic facial emotions. Genuine smiles engage the eye muscles. Sadness is conveyed through raised inner eyebrows and forehead wrinkles. Anger is shown by muscles near the nose drawn inwards. Fear is displayed through raised eyebrows and widened eyes. And surprise is a brief expression quickly replaced by other emotions. As we explore examples, it becomes evident that recognizing emotions in posed versus genuine, spontaneous expressions poses a challenge, as posed expressions often appear asymmetrical and fail to accurately convey the intended emotion. The text highlights that while expressions like surprise are easy to mimic, others like fear and anger require a more nuanced understanding of various facial areas. To become proficient in facial expression identification, one must undergo specialized training involving facial coding systems and repeated testing to build the ability to recognize micro-expressions and differentiate between emotions, ultimately leading to certification. In conclusion, understanding facial expressions and the emotions they convey is crucial for effective communication. And by closely studying faces and honing our emotional perception skills, we can enhance our ability to connect with others on a deeper level. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.